Stop using Windows in default mode. Yes, you are missing out on powerful settings that will make your PC faster, smarter, safer, and way more productive. I'm Paul, and this is Make the Most TV. Sit back, let's look at these powerful settings. The last one would surprise you. I've made several videos about Windows settings that you've never used before, and I encourage you to use it in order to improve upon your productivity. In today's video, we'll take a look at Windows 10 and Windows 11 settings that you didn't know you could change so that your computer or your PC can be productive to you. Let's get into it. If you are a lover of Windows 10 and its features and you miss the old school left align start menu on your taskbar, this setting is good for you. If you didn't know you can change your Windows 11 start menu and move it to the left side like you have it in Windows 10, this video is for you. All you do is you go to settings. By going to the start menu, you type settings to open it, or use the shortcut key Windows key plus I to open settings. Once settings is opened, go to personalization, scroll down and locate the taskbar behaviors. Set it to left, and then there you have it. Try it out. Leave your comment in the comment section. Does your PC take forever to boot? When it happens like that, it is one of various reasons, and one of them is your computer has startup programs or startup processes that it goes through before your computer boots to the screen. So in order to stop this, you have to turn off startup applications so that your computer can boot faster and work smarter for you. Let's take a look at the procedures in turning off these startup programs on your computer. In Windows 11, all we do is we open settings by typing settings in the search bar, or use the shortcut key Windows plus I to open settings. Once settings is opened, we locate the apps section on the side menu. Click on apps, locate startup apps, and disable the junk you don't need launching for faster startups and smoother mornings. Or you press the Windows key plus X for the menu to appear, and then you click on Task Manager. Once Task Manager is selected, locate the startup section and disable the startup applications, preventing your PC to boot faster. It's that easy. You can easily access the startup section by using the shortcut key Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to show the menu, and then click on Task Manager, select Startup Applications, and turn off all the startup applications, preventing your PC from booting faster. I'm sure you've heard about Clipboard history on my previous video. If you have not, I'll put the link in the description. Click on it and enjoy the content it brings to improve upon your use of your PC. On Clipboard history, we took a look at how to copy multiple text and paste it on several applications or several documents that you are working on. We are going to take a look at Clipboard across devices. With Clipboard across devices, you can copy text on one device and paste it on another device. All you have to do is you go to settings, go to system on the side menu, and then locate Clipboard and enable Clipboard history and sync across devices. All you do is turn on Clipboard history, and then the next section says share across devices. Click on get started, log in with your account, and that is it. You can sync whatever you copied on the Clipboard history on another device or other devices. Your copy and paste game just went viral. For those of us who sit behind our PC for long hours at night and always use the night light feature on your PC manually, let me show you how to automatically set the night light feature on your PC to make life easier rather than turning it on each night when you want to use your PC. The night light feature on your PC dims the brightness of your PC so that the light rays would not be a strain on your eyes, giving you warmer colors on your display to help you sleep better. Now let's access that feature. Open settings by using the shortcut key Windows plus I and go to system in the side menu, click on display and then locate the night light. Locate schedule night light, turn it on and set the time you want automatically so that each time it will automatically turn on night light on and off just as you want it. Try it out. Leave your comment in the comment section. The voice access feature enables you to talk to your PC. It helps you control Windows with just your voice. With it, you can open applications, type, scroll, all hands-free. It is perfect for multitaskers or if you are just feeling lazy. Let's take a look at how to access it. Open settings by using the shortcut key Windows plus I, or right click on your start menu or go to settings and go to your start menu and type settings to access it. Once it is opened, click on accessibilities on the side menu and then scroll down and select speech. Click on speech to access it and enable it. Turn it on and access its features. You'll be asked if you want to continue and set up voice access. On the top of your screen, click on agree and let's set it up. It will let you choose the mic you would want to use for the voice access. When you are done, you only access it by saying voice access, wake up. Then you continue with what you want voice access to do. An example is voice access, wake up, open Microsoft Edge. You can as well turn it off and on by using the shortcut key Windows Control plus S to turn it either on or off. It's that easy. And that is it. How did it feel like putting these powerful settings into practice? If you tried your hands on it, put it in the comment section. How does it feel like putting it into practice? If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do share for others to benefit from this channel. I'll see you in the next episode.